Morning and Jai Hind children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to do addition, subtraction and ordering of Roman numbers. I am sure you all must have seen the video that I had posted on Roman numbers and must have gone through all the Roman numbers and learned the rules associated with the Roman numbers. So let us begin. Now Roman number is having 7 letters and those 7 letters are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I stands for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C is 100, D 500 and M for 1000. What is the date today? Today's date is, it's 17th. Today's date is 17/4/2020. So we are going to write the date in Roman numbers. 17. How do you write 17? It is 10 plus 7. 5, 1 and 1. It is 17 for the month, that is the month of April. So 4 we will write here, Roman number 4. And 2020. Now here we have M as 1000. So 2000 is 2 times M, 1000 plus 1000, 2000 and then 20, X and X. So this is the way we write the date in Roman number. Now let us start with addition of Roman numbers. I'm going to write down one question over here. And the question is X V plus I X is equal to how much? That is your question. Now before we start answering it, first let us find out what does this mean. XV. This number in Indo-Arabic number, if we will say, it is 10, 20 and 5. It is 25. So your first step will be just write down the number 25 here so that you are aware what number is it. Then look at this number. This is I and X. I and X means 10 minus 1, that means it is number 9. We have 25 plus 9. Now we have to add 25 plus 9. Draw a rough column on the right hand side of your copy and do the calculation here. It is 25 plus 9. Just see to it carefully. I am writing 9 below 5 because 5 is in the ones place, 9 should be in the ones place. It's a single digit. And 2 will be in the tens place. So 5 plus 9 is 14. We will write down 4 here, carry over 1. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 34. And the answer over here we are going to write down in Roman numeral. That is 34. 10, 20, 30 and 4. So this is your answer. Please follow this step to avoid any mistake. Now let us take another example. Suppose I am taking this number XIX plus XX and I. Now what is this XI and X? This is 10 plus, we will read these two numbers together because if we have a greater number here and a smaller number on the right hand side and another greater number on the right hand side, then we will read these two numbers together. Okay, so the number will be 10 plus 9, 19, and this is 10, 20 and 1, it is 21. Now we will add this number in the rough column over here. 19 plus 21. 9 plus 1 is 10. We will carry 1, and this regrouping you have to show it. 9 plus 1 is 10. In the ones place we have 0. And the tens that we had, that 1 tens you will carry in the tens place. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 40. And here we will write down the answer in Roman number, that is number 40, XL. So this will be your answer. And it should be given in Roman numbers whenever it is asked. This will be your answer over here. Now let us move to subtraction of Roman numbers. Subtraction means taking away from a number. Now to subtract, let us take the number letter L minus X, XV or 25 is equal to how much? L stands for Indo-Arabic number 50. Write it down below it. Minus double X and V, it is 10 and 10, 20 plus 5. So it is 25. So 50 minus 25, you have to give the answer. The answer will be calculated in the rough column. It is 50 minus 25. Now we cannot take away 5 from a 0. So we need to do regrouping. We will borrow 1 tens from 5. So this will become 4 tens. Circle it. Now we will add 1 tens over here. So 1 tens plus 0 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 25, which you will write down here in Roman number. And Roman number 25 is written like this, X, X and V. So your answer will be 50 minus 25 is equal to 25 in Roman numbers. Another example I am going to take here. The number is XI minus I and X is equal to XI minus IX is equal to how much? Now XI means 10 plus 1, 11. Write it here. I and X, that means X minus 1, it's 9. 11 minus 9, do the calculation in the